Many people strive to lose weight in a variety of ways. It is important to stick to a certain diet so that the process is most effective. Healthy eating allows you to quickly lose extra pounds, but only if you adhere to its principles. It is necessary to make the right menu, which maintains a balance of proteins, fats and carbohydrates, as well as know how to meal prep for healthy eating. Healthy eating, sometimes it is called correct eating, implies the use of natural products, which bring the body only benefits. The diet of a person who is going to eat according to this principle should include dishes that have the right amount of nutrients. It is about the following components. These are proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, trace elements. It is necessary to keep count of them to ensure the daily rate. It is also important to follow other rules that make a healthy diet. For example, the diet should not include fast food, convenience foods, carbonated drinks and other harmful things. It is also recommended to limit the amount of salt, exclude fried foods, and remember how to meal prep for healthy eating, and food should be steamed or boiled, stewed, or baked. Food should be eaten at the same time. The next in the understanding of healthy eating is to understand how to make a menu for a week. The peculiarity of healthy eating is that it doesn't imply following a strict menu. It should be made taking into account the characteristics of the person and his preferences in food. The main thing is to observe the basic principles of food combinations. It is about the following rules. Breakfast should be rich in carbohydrates. Dinner should contain a large amount of carbohydrates. Each meal should include foods that contain fiber, such as vegetables, fruit, and bran. If you want to eat sweets, you should do it only in the first half of the day. It is important to distribute calories correctly. Usually people who adhere to healthy eating make a menu for a week in advance, and then simply prepare dishes according to it. In the following video, I will give an example of such a diet, in which the necessary products are already selected. Of course, it is possible to make changes if, for example, a person does not eat any type of food. Now you know about healthy eating and how to meal prep for healthy eating. Subscribe so that you don't miss anything.